morning everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It's around 10 o'clock and finally now I got time to sit down and enjoy my juice. So basically this is my second bottle. I already drank one bottle. So nowadays what I do is while I'm making breakfast for kids, I make fresh juice and I make the big jug of it. So throughout the day, whenever I feel thirsty, I just drink this juice. And of course I give it to kids, and whatever is left over I try to finish it throughout the day, you know, because I was into juice so much before, and lately I would say from last month or so I haven't made any fresh juice at all. So I kind of miss that. So now instead of just making 1 or 2 cups, I just make the big jug of it and then I just drink it throughout the day. So how's Navratri going, guys? Are you fasting? Because I'm not. I was actually gonna keep fast for all 9 days, but I totally forgot about it on very first day. So I was like, yaar, pehle din hi bhul gayi, to fir kya fayda, you know? So I'm not keeping fast. And I just came to know about this yesterday, and I think I did share this in one of my other videos, that Taco Bell is gonna stop making Mexican pizza from somewhere in the first week of November. So I told kids that before November we'll go there a few times and we'll get the food. Now yesterday my husband went to Taco Bell for lunch and he ordered Mexican pizza and they said they don't even have it. So he's like, well, it's supposed to stop from November. And he's like, yeah, but that is depend on Taco Bell to Taco Bell. So if you go to their main website, it will say that they do have it and they're gonna stop making it in November. But then it's again depend on that particular store. If they want to stop making it, then that's it. So yesterday he told me, he's like, you guys better hurry up, because I mean chances are that the Taco Bell that we go to, they might not even have it. So by the time he told me yesterday, of course I had my dinner ready, so there was no point for me to go and buy it. But today I told kids that doesn't matter what, we are going Taco Bell for dinner, because there is no way I can miss that, you know. Unka ye Mexican pizza itna tasty hai na, and I don't know why they are stopping. They're gonna stop making so many things that we like. So I was like, yaar, ye Mexican pizza hum miss nahi kar sakte. तो बस आज का dinner हमारा तो Taco Bell रहेगा, मेरे और बच्चों का. और मेरे हस्बैंड को खाने है खिचड़ी, क्योंकि कल मैंने बनाया था बैंगन भरता. तो बैंगन की सब्ज़ी उनको बहुत पसंद है, मुझे और बच्चों को ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं है. तो परफेक्टली फिट हो गया कि कल की सब्ज़ी है और आज खिचड़ी बना दूंगी. तो ही इज़ लाइक कि आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट, सो आई विल जस्ट ईट दैट. सो वो खा लेंगे, हम लोग खाएंगे Taco Bell. Not sure about the Garba situation this year, because in our state I know there are few places they're gonna organize Garba with just a few number of people, but I didn't even bother to inquire about it, because I was like, I'm not gonna go anywhere, you know. I'd rather stay home and do puja and then go out and do Garba, because in our state numbers are going up, and compared to the neighboring state, our state doesn't look like in a okay place right now. So I was like, I better stay home and not go anywhere. And I'm not sure if this is in all states, but in our state there is an app from the health department. So what you need to do is you download that app, and it doesn't matter where we go, right? We always have our phone with us. So what it does is, let's say if I've gone to grocery store, right? And of course I'm gonna come in contact with someone will be somewhere close by, right? So what it does is that it monitor and it scan every time wherever you go somewhere. So let's say if I have come closer to the person and that person is positive, then my phone will alert me saying, okay, you are exposed here, you know. So that is really good things, and I just actually downloaded just a few days ago. So check in your area, and if it's available, just download that app. So at least you know, if you are exposed, it tells you. So, and I know this kind of app is also available in India too. So take advantage of all this technology that we have, because nowadays doesn't matter in which age group you are in, you have to be careful out there, because especially now here, see, the weather is getting cold, and today actually we are lucky that our temperature is in 75, so it's not cold at all. It's very comfortable. But you know, especially the weather is getting cold, we don't even see the sun now. Over here the flu season is coming, so actually this time people are so scared to even take the flu vaccine, because the flu and the COVID symptoms is more or less same. So they are even, you know, kind of hesitate to take the flu vaccine too. And one of my best friend over here, her entire family is positive right now. So you know, it doesn't matter in how old or young you are, you have to be careful out there. And oh yes, before I forget, I need to share my Amazon shopping with you guys. There is not many things that I bought it, but whatever I bought it, I'm gonna share that. So a few days ago, there was a Amazon Prime sale, and I did post it on my Instagram story. So if you're not following me there, do follow me, because whenever I see the sale like this, I just post it over there so you guys can take the advantage of it too. So I just bought a couple of things. I mean, they had so many different things on sale, and of course, you know, those are the deals that you feel like you don't want to let it go. But I already have so many things, right? So I was like, nah, it's better to just get it what I needed. So let me share that with you guys. And also one more thing that I got it from Ross, so I'll share that also. Amazon, I bought this onion chopper. Now I heard really good reviews about it. People rave about this onion chopper so much, so I thought, let me try it. I'm gonna compare this to the one that I already have it, and I believe it was around $20. And of course, I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box. So I never owned any milk frother before, so I thought, let me try it. Since now the weather is getting cold, I will be making hot chocolate and coffee and all that. So this one was $9. The only thing that I wish this one has is the charger, because it runs on battery. So that means every time you have to replace the battery. Other than that, it is really cute. It's so nice and dainty, small, so you can just keep it on your counter. And I already have a holy stain on it too. So that is the only two things I bought it from Amazon. And from Ross, I bought this pot. I mean, how can I let it go, right? I love this shape so much. The moment I saw it, I was like, doesn't matter. I already own one of this kind of pot. But I was like, I need to buy this. I need to take this pot home. So this one is from Cuisinart, and it was $24.99, $25. So it's not bad at all. It is the heavy, just like that other one. It is the same size, everything is same, just a different brand. But I bought this one. And also from Ross, I bought this one. How cute is this, right? Of course, it is from India, and the moment my kids saw this, they were like, Mom, how many elephants are we gonna have it in the house? Because so many, right? I'm gonna count it, and I'm gonna have the number down here right now so you guys can see how many elephant I have in the house. I don't know मेरा क्या है यार हाथी के साथ. जब भी मैं ऐसी कोई चीज़ देखती हूँ ना, I'm kind of drawn toward it. मुझे चाहिए होती है. तो ये एक्चुअली कैंडल होल्डर है, तो आई वाज लाइक कि इट्स अ परफेक्ट, यू नो. और ये जो है मार्बल है, काफ़ी हैवी भी है. आई विश कि उन लोगों के पास सेकंड होता तो पैर हो जाती परफेक्टली, पर नहीं था उन लोगों के पास. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, चलो एक तो एक मैं ले जाती हूँ. So that's it. That was my big shopping. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna get lunch ready now for kids. They're just gonna have a salad. They are not, they are not hungry that much, so they just want the salad. So I'm just gonna prepare salad. And yes, I need to take you guys up there to show you the final look of Mandir. क्योंकि last time मैंने जो वो मंदिर का वीडियो किया, and thank you so much guys. I got such a good response on that video, so thank you so much. I'm so glad you guys also like it. तो उस वीडियो में मैंने शेयर किया था कि मैंने ओम ऑर्डर किया था. That was the custom made, and that didn't come when I post that video. So finally it came, so I'm gonna take you guys up there and I'll show you the final look of Mandir. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think about this. I was actually so excited about this Om because it comes in actually so many different color, and you can customize the size. Now the size that I have here, it's 12 by 12, and I was gonna go with the gold color before, but then I thought that, you know, all these murtis are kind of gold colored, right? So I was like, the gold might not look that different, so for that reason I went with the red. But let me know, guys, I was so excited. You know, I was like, I hope that it comes before I post that mandir video, but unfortunately it came a couple of days after I post that. So I also ordered the swastik, so I do have it on the both side as well as the shubh and labh. So this is how the mandir looks like now, and I think I'm done with the decoration. I don't think so it needs anything else because, you know, it got the swastik, it got the shubh and labh, it got the om, so I think we are all set now. So it's around 5 o'clock, and all I did is I'm just making khichdi. After I spoke with you, I went upstairs, did some laundry, and then after that I was talking to my friend. I spoke with her for about 2 hours. And leave the comments below, guys. Let me know कि आपके साथ भी ये होता है कि नहीं, कि मेरा क्या है कि एक बार मैं सोफे पे बैठ जाऊँ ना, उसके बाद वहाँ से हटने का बिल्कुल नहीं मन होता. स्पेशली जैसे वेदर अभी चल रहा है ना, इतना टायरिंग लगता है कभी कभी. So that's it. I'm just making khichdi, and then we're gonna go to Taco Bell to get our dinner. You know, guys, I feel like crying right now so badly because officially now our Taco Bell don't have Mexican pizza. So we've placed the order online, and if they don't have it, it should tell you right there, right? That, okay, we don't have this, but it didn't say anything. So we were happy, like, okay, you know, they must have it. So when I went drive through to pick up the food, the cashier is like, is everything looks okay on your screen? And I was like, yeah, everything is fine. So still that time I was like, I had a hope, like, okay, you know, yes, they do have it. And then she's like, oh, wait a minute. I was like, oh my gosh, there we go. And she's like, okay, I'm sorry to say, but we don't have Mexican pizza anymore. I was like, oh God. So I was like, can you replace that with something else? Because then she's like, just cancel the entire order, and then you had to place the another order because they can't give me money back for the things they don't have it. And there was a huge line, right? So I was like, can you replace that with something else? She's like, yeah, whatever you wanted, we can replace it. So I was like, okay, let me just go with the Cantina ball, because there was nothing else was coming in my head like right away, and there was a huge line. So in case if you haven't tried Cantina ball, definitely try it, because it has black beans, rice, lettuce, sour cream, cheese, pico de gallo. It is really nice, you know, and we always get the vegetarian one, so it is really nice. So they replaced that with that, but I'm definitely gonna miss this Mexican pizza. So we got the other food, but I was so disappointed. I was like, I guess I waited too long for this. And of course I do have the recipe for that, so in case if you are same like me, you do like Mexican pizza and now you do want to make it at home, I do have the recipe for that. So I'm gonna link that video down below in the description box. You know, we can make it at home, but sometimes वो होता है ना कि यार एक पिज़्ज़ा के लिए क्यों इतनी झंझट करे, चलो वहीं से ले लेते हैं. But definitely I'm gonna miss that Mexican pizza so badly. So even the kids are disappointed too right now. So I'm gonna show you what we bought, and we got plenty of food actually, and they gave us some extra too, because you know they felt sorry too that we actually ordered 4 Mexican pizza, you know. So of course my husband was gonna eat it too, so we ordered 4 Mexican pizza. So they were like, oh, I'm so sorry, you know, we don't have this, so we are happy to give you some extra food. So they did give us some extra food too, but yes, definitely we're gonna miss Mexican pizza. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, don't go out, and I will see you soon in my next video.